Dito kami sa park ngayon. At dito ko gagawin yung what's in the bag, what's inside your bag challenge. Dahil I'm a mom of 2 kids. So, itong bag na to, more than baby kids, more than kid stuff inside. Not much mine. So, here's the backpack. So here, this side, Abigail's water. And this side, that's a hand sanitizer. And hand sanitizer. And what is this? Pacifier clip. This is Abigail's pacifier clip. So, let's dig in. Let's dig in. What's inside? So first, I have this stuff. So I can put my stuff from this bag to this one after I show you. Oh, it's windy. Can you guess what's the stuff inside in this bag?
Yep, there's diapers in there.
What else?
Wipes. Hand sanitizer.
Yeah, what else?
Sky flakes.
Okay. Here I'll start. Of course, this is diaper bag. So number 1 is diaper. Second, wipes. And another diaper. That's another diaper. And another diaper. That's Aaron's diaper. So we have Lysol disinfecting wipes. I have here bib for Aaron. I got 1, 2, 3. Burp cloth. Yeah, you're right that this is Aaron's clothes. Here, this is Aaron's clothes, extra clothes, just in case there's emergency. Aaron's clothes.
Or in case the slide is wet.
Yeah.
You can dry it.
Aaron's clothes. Oh, this one is important if you're outside. This is cover when you change the baby's diaper. So we have here Abigail's diaper. She didn't use this anymore, but I still have it in my bag just in case for emergency. So here's Abigail's clothes. I got a t-shirt. I have what is this? A sweatshirt, just in case it's cold. I have a blanket. I have my clothes, so just in case Aaron throw up on me. Another Abigail's clothes inside. I have a long sleeve also here for me, just in case it's cold. So I need to bring also. So what else in here? Oh, this one. It's like a mosquito net for Aaron's car seat or stroller to cover up just in case a lot of insects are all around. So what else in here? Oh, for mama, napkin and underwear. This side here. Oh, snacks, skyflakes. I have an extra ziploc. I don't know, for emergency also. Another snacks, pita. This compartment here is like mostly essentials. So another hand sanitizer. Oh, I got Aquaphor. Oh, Abigail, it's like Yemen skin. Sensitive yung skin ni Abby. So this is face moisturizer. The kids can also use this one. So good for me and for them. I got some baby lotion. So here I got my mask, Abigail's mask, and I have some disposable gloves just in case I need it. What is this? Oh, Aaron's pacifier extra. Desitin. Another cream for Abby. She has eczema until now. So I got another mask here. Sunscreen. Oh my god. So here I have this one. I don't like this stuff, but I need to bring this one everywhere I go with Abby. She's allergic on peanut, so I always bring this one with me. This is EpiPen. I don't know how to pronounce that. EpiPen. Yeah, you just need to poke this one on her leg if she have allergy. I don't like it. I just put this one just in case. So in this compartment here, I got set of hair ties. Very important if you have a girl, especially long hair. So here, Abigail's sunglass, my headphone. That's hair tie. Power bank. Lollipop. A treat. If she's crying in the car, I need to give her something. Oh, this is winter stuff. Clip yata to for mittens for the kids. What is this? Abigail's necklace. Marting bata, no? Here, my two baby napkins. Not really baby napkin. This is a panty liner. Oh, I got a lotto here. Let me check. Well, this is. Oh my God! This is December 13, 2019. September 6, 2019. September 2019. Oh, look at this, guys. Is this I forgot this is Aaron's or Abby. I'm not sure. I think this is Aaron, yeah. Still in my bag. It's ultrasound picture. And here, a lot of cards. I have Olive Garden, Beijing's, DSW, my gift card, American Express gift card, Vanilla gift card. I have CVS card. This is like a cookie and ramen. I don't know what you call this one. I have Metro card. When you go to New York, we ride a train. Calling cards for someone. So this is our I don't know what you call this one. I forgot. For the health. My credit card. I get some Dunkin' Donut gift card. We have a movie gift card. Another BG's card. So I don't have a big wallet, so I just put this in my bag. So here So here, my small wallet is the card that I always use when I go out. I have some. Oh, I got Target gift card. My is card in Philippines. My husband's card. A Capital One card. My new Capital card also. Capital One card. So here's another wallet. I have some cash here. I have $3. And my debit card. This is the one I always use, a lip balm. Got lip balm. Oh, I love this lip balm. So I got a lip balm here. I love this lip balm. It's like a petroleum jelly, but it's so good. This is like petroleum jelly inside. Oh, I love it. It smells good and very effective. Oh, look at this one. All the coins here inside. I bring this one because sometimes I go garage sale, so I need some coins. Got lipstick here. Lipstick, my favorite color. It's pink. I got red and neutral color. Oh, I got stylus. Use in your tablet for Abigail. So what's in here? Coupon, Macy's coupon. Like oh, this is old. This is 2019, December 18, 2019. It's still in my bag. This is garbage now. Another coins here. Extra coins. Oh, manin yung diaper bag ko. Ang daming pera. Oh, what else? I think that's all. Let's see what's in here. That's all. That's all for today. Look, my bag is empty. Ta-da! So time to clean up. Clean up, clean up, everybody clean up. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.